Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold vlog 108. We're on our way to South LA to fix an iPhone 6s rose gold. The screen has cracked. It's a Yelp customer. She called us yesterday. She said if we can go and take care of that for her tomorrow, which is today. And we said sure, and I just happened to be in this area because I was doing some Postmates and we're only 8 miles away from her destination, so we're just gonna go and take care of that for her, and then we'll just see what else to do, and then we'll just edit this video so you guys can see it, obviously. And then we might do some Postmates later today, and to get some extra money in for the weekend, you know, because weekends usually Postmates are busier, so I do Postmates just for videos to get some views and spotlight on YouTube, and also get extra money, and plus it's a cool experience to meet people and to know your city around, you know, and also pass my business cards to customers and restaurants. So kind of I do like my own marketing too as well during my Postmate drive, so it's cool. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys soon at the repair when I get there. This is iPhone 6s rose gold screen repair, and it'll be on its way to you shortly. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Peace, cut, see you soon. Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 108. I just got to my location. It looks like, let's see, 7708. It should be on that side somewhere, here somewhere. But yeah, we just got here, so we're gonna pick an iPhone 6s rose gold screen, and it's for this client. Her name is Wendy, and we just got here on time. Actually, 2 minutes early than anticipated, so it's perfect. So okay guys, I will see you at the repair site in a second. Stay tuned. Peace. Cut. That's the camera. Okay. So we're doing this. Hey guys, we just finished that phone that you just saw, iPhone 6s rose gold. I'm sorry, it was a space gray, not rose gold. And that was that, and we just changed the screen and everything was great. She was very happy. I guess she was a referral from this company that I work with, Golden West. Her friend told her that this guy comes to our company, and she had the card, I guess. Someone gave it to her, so she called me from there. So that was cool. It was a word of mouth referral, so that was awesome. We just got a referral just like that. And my point being from this, the takeaway is, I just realized that, like, well, I mean, I knew earlier, but now it's confirmed that the word of mouth is the most powerful way of getting business in, because that's more valid than Yelp or Google Ads or anything else. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's about it, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold vlog 108, and that will conclude, and have a beautiful weekend, and we'll see you in vlog 109 as it comes through tomorrow. See you guys soon. Peace. Cut. It's a wrap. Thank you for watching.